So here we have a sump pump check valve in 1.5 inch size. So this check valve is unique because it has a spring-loaded flapper for backflow prevention, and it's silent. Now, silent doesn't necessarily mean super silent, but it's super quiet. That's what I experienced. So it also is clear so that you could easily view what the water is doing. And it's kind of cool to have a visual check and takes the guesswork out of what's going on, especially if you have obstructions and stuff in your pipe. So it has 304 stainless steel clamps with rubber couplings, and it's pretty secure, easy to use. You could use a flathead screwdriver or the drive nut. And corrosion resistance, because in this environment you need that. So it's basically easy to install. You just run it in line between your pump and your waste out of the line, and you're good to go. And I was getting a water hammer effect. That's why I'm trying this one. And so far so good. No water hammering at all. Now when I shot the video, this was a crude install. I have to make a little bit more adjustments to it because my sump pump hole is not even. So I have to maneuver the pump to get a nice fit. Other than that, it's super easy. I like the performance so far, and this is a keeper.